Now, to fully understand how disease inheritance works, it's important to distinguish between recessive and dominant diseases. Individuals inherit one version of the allele for each gene from each parent. This is where dominant versus recessive kicks in. As explained by Wilkie in the paper The Molecular Basis of Genetic Dominance, dominant alleles overshadow recessive alleles when they are inherited together. This means that the individuals will exhibit the phenotype, which are the visible characteristics that the dominant allele carries. Recessive alleles only show their phenotype when both the alleles for a specific gene are recessive. Now, how does this relate to our misconception? Parents who are carriers for a recessive disease carry both dominant and recessive alleles for the disease gene. The parents are called carriers because they don't show the disease phenotype. However, they still carry the recessive allele genotype. This means that the gamete of these parents may have alleles that carry the recessive variant of the gene. If each parent contributes the recessive version of the allele upon conception, the fetus will be fully affected by the disease, displaying all the disease phenotypes. However, if even one parent contributes the dominant version of the disease allele, then their fetus will also be a carrier of the disease and not display the phenotype. It is important to note that this method of inheritance only applies to recessive diseases. In dominant diseases, having even one dominant allele variant for the disease is enough to show the phenotype.